Hi, in this video I'll show how to take some basic distance measurements in Map360, but from two separate data sources. So here I have loaded simultaneously both a point cloud, which was generated from the RTC and then published from Map360, as well as an OrthoImage, which is a 2D object. And I'm just cycling the visibility of the image here using the layers, but we'll make it really apparent that I have two really distinct sources. I'm changing the point cloud to intensity view, disabling the image, and then the image is back on. So one is a 3D object, which is a point cloud, and the other one is just a 2D scaled, ortho-rectified, as in no distortion errors, image. So onto our measurements. Again, just a simple distance measurement. I'm using the natural available features on the road pavement to do this. So I'm picking that bottom corner with a bit of contrast to be able to pick out those points over there. And I'm going to come up here with a distance. So this distance is 6.03 mil, 6 meters and 3 millimeters. So let's now compare that distance against what we get from the OrthoImage. So I'm turning back my OrthoImage, and then I will repeat the exercise, but now picking the points within the pixel of the image as opposed to the point within the point cloud, just to understand the real difference between those. And they should come out with the same number within a nice error budget. So 6 millimeters, I'm having a difference of 3 millimeters, which I think is perfectly acceptable in this scenario. Hope you liked it. Please leave your comments down in the section below, and I hope you have a great day.